All right, so one of the first things you're going to want to do when you start working with Hot Setup is install it as an app so you can get to it on your desktop quickly without having to go through the browser. So on the desktop, you just click this button here, and that'll install that as an app, and you'll see that now on your desktop on Windows. If you're on Android, you will open the app in Chrome and then click the three-dot hamburger menu, and then there'll be a button that either says install, or if you don't see the install button, you can click add to home screen and then install. And that's the same thing. It'll install that on your home screen and you'll be able to open it up and get to it really quickly. On iPhone, you do a similar sort of thing. You click share from Safari, then there'll be an option for more, and then you'll click add to home screen. And you want to install that as a web app. You click that option. So there's videos on YouTube as well on how to do this. This is called a progressive web app. So if you just search how to install a PWA on whatever you're using, you'll find some videos on how to do that. And it'll show up just as any other app. And it's really quick and makes the app really easy to use across all kinds of different devices. Okay, I hope this helps. Get that installed, be quick to open, and make Hot Setup a lot faster than pen and paper for you guys.